Hello everybody, back down here at the Chattahoochee River. Got the rods out. It's a little windy. Stay tuned. Gonna see how it goes. All right, everybody. Today I'm running the Demon Dragon setup, different colors on each rod. Oh, you on? All right, people got one on. One not that long. One not that long. Oh, eat a cat. Oh, eat a cat. There you go, people. Prayer blue for the day. All right, people. Like I'm getting a little nibble on one of my rods. Might be a little dink. We're gonna see what he gonna do. All right, got one on, people. Yep. Another eating size. Another good eating size cat. All right, people. Here we go. Another old pretty blue. This is the rig I'm using today. I'm using the float. All right, people, got another hit on this rod. They ain't holding it though. They ain't holding it. Today I was using live brim and skipjack as baits. It was a lot of dink bites today, so
dink bites, y'all.
Wasn't no big takedowns, but did get some catfish. Well, people, I did catch two small size blues today. This is a catfish video, so I did catch catfish. All right, people, that's all I caught today. Two either side catfish, blue cats. So I'm finna get ready to release them back in the water.